Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan. Once again, I welcome you to my Ielts speaking video. In this video, I am going to conduct your Ielts speaking test and I'm going to give you a feeling that I am the real examiner and you are the real candidate, and this is the real test which is going on. Before we proceed, please subscribe my channel, like this video and comment as well. Let's take a start. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am your Ielts speaking examiner. What's your name? Alright, can I see your ID card please? Alright, that's good. Are you ready to take your Ielts speaking test? Good. Do you work or are you a student? Why do you want to go abroad? What are the benefits of going abroad? What are the disadvantages of leaving your country to live or study abroad? Do you think your life will be better if you go abroad? Now, let's go on to talk about sports. What sports are popular in your country? Did you learn any sports at school? How often do you watch sports now? Do you participate in any sports at the moment? We now move on to Ielts speaking part 2. You will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish. Here is the topic and you have pen and paper. Your 1 minute starts now. You now have to speak on the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. We now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. What sort of occasions do families and friends like to celebrate? How important are celebrations in people's lives? Should people have time off work for important celebrations? Why do many people enjoy participating in a national celebration? Have national celebrations become more or less important over time? What sort of things do you think countries will celebrate in the future? That is the end of your IELTS speaking test. May you have a fantastic day. Thank you. Okay. All right, guys. That's all. So thank you very much for taking this speaking test, and you could even record it on a mobile device, and then you can listen to it second time so that you just know how you spoke the answers and all that. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, right? And I run another channel, Asad Yaqub Vlogs. You can subscribe to that as well. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best with your IELTS speaking. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.